nobody dissing. I'm just ripping on the beats, no beat, freestyling off the top of the dome. And I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. And I'm a violate zones when I'm dropping bombs and leak songs. They hit leak bars first. You know I bring it back, lift it up, got a stack in the bank like a lack. You know I got to lean it back. I mean jacking it up. Y'all feel me? 24s, 26s, how we doing? I'm young Dixon, I'm trenching these snitches. I mean I wish it. These boys stop testing. It's just a mess and hope you get your lesson. And that's just another one loss. I mean talk for the boys that be hating on these boys. The squad 17 wall where I get it in. I'm 2-9 every day. Tell the boys I ain't no skill breaking bones like Usher. Usher like Boston on these brown tips. No one still get my round rips. I mean I'm right. So I sound tight and I get this crowd hype when I'm on the mic doing don't want it, Doug James, Bob this baby J.
Set it off, so you better back down. I come through T-Town, coming at any nigga's crown. Hollow tips spread around. Niggas wanna get us, smoke a pound. Tell a nigga don't make a sound like you look 6 feet under niggas clowning. Fuck that. Pussy nigga, I'm a downer. Wanna get it how you sleep with the flounders. Come back and I bust back. Shotgun to the nigga head, nigga, so you bust whack. And now a nigga make your bust crack. I mean, it's gold on the side of the curb and we don't want that. But tell a nigga if you want trouble, I'll come through in the teleport and get a bubble. Bubble any nigga wanna get it like an old rubber. Pop your pussy ass nigga open. Well, nigga joking. On the shit, nigga me, I'm never choking. I'm steady smoking good green niggas, just faking, hating. Pussy nigga motivate. Fuck this nigga, take you all off the plate. I kill any nigga and any face, murder any nigga cause I get any murder case. Tell a nigga in this game there's no way, cause I'm eating it all day and running shit all day. I tell a nigga I don't come through and play, I just sit back and roll up that AK-40K. Damn, hey, these niggas wanna ride with me, I'ma show these niggas it's another hot inside. If you try me, fuck that nigga, get body. Niggas talking, bounce like Scotty Hardy. I shoot a nigga in his face, it's a body. And niggas talking about this shit is no problem because I'm doing things. If you think it's a lobby, ain't a hobby to a nigga. So you niggas leaving, kill a nigga now you looking up. I shoot him in his face, man, you better duck. Until a nigga got bad luck. Cause if you wanna get it, you be on the lunch truck. Old BD, old news. Fuck a nigga, kill him dead on the Pro Tools. Show a nigga if you want it, then there's no tube. I leave a nigga sleeping, it's a long snooze.
Do the boxer. Okay, weave to the left, weave to the right.
So on you, T Bird, whenever you're ready, homie.
Alright, listen, I ain't really worried about that. I ain't making no cash, I'm just about to bounce back for this battle. Just to be real, use a baby with a rattle. I'm a soldier in the field. You feel me, dog, for real. Get it how you live. I ain't never been a snitch, nigga. One that type of spill with this pink on, dog. I'm just rocking how I get it. I'm gutter with my brother in the city. Who really wasn't needed. I'm all about a minute. I'm trying to make it quick, smack nigga silly. And I'm just bleeding because the hush on the beats. I'm gonna stop like the watch because I'm all up on the streets. I mean, all of the lights see me at nighttime like ceilings in the sky still in this nighttime. Man, why like a diamond steel line? That's my mouth and I'm real like a beast. I'm gonna eat nigga in the streets. It don't matter what it is. Tell you the truth, and I'm gonna get it how it is. Front line soldier, tell me find it till it's die. I mean, I won't stop, dog, till the day I die.
Time.
See, I'm a Trigger City veteran. I put nobody above my brethren. And nigga wanna get chopped off and severed in, I got a couple leaders on the side of heaven sent. I tell a nigga in this game it's so cement, leave you ducked under the ground, you think it's beaming. Cause I got the chop on time, you know it's cement. Cause you niggas be laying around and I'm just dreaming. Niggas, it's another pound I put back in my lungs. Fuck what you heard, all you hear is the chopper, yeah, the drums. Niggas coming through, and we all from the slums. But I ain't dirty though, cause I ain't a motherfucking bum. I get my money and move it up quick. You niggas need a whole lot of stitches if you trust this. A nigga hit and you don't miss. And leave a nigga sad with like a long kiss. I tell me what you wanna do with Ree. Another casualty, a murder, you see. Tell a nigga in this game, it's like actually. Class attention, pay attention factually. Faculty, follow me. Try what you do. Try to be me, fuck who the fuck is you. Cause I'm the nigga coming through with my troops here. Trigger City veterans, you know I salute. Put it to my niggas who. And we gon' ride cross Fletcher in this thing, yeah, you know how it ride. It's where I reside, it's where I chill in the bay. I tell a nigga smoke good, you know, like every day. If you need it, well, you know I stay, cause I got homies got good pressure all the way. Tell a smoke real good all day, no joke. I never fucking do this thing, long stroke. I'll show you how I go, choke you up quick. Fuck this shit, I'm done with this shit, give me another brick.
Back, y'all, round 3, T Bird versus Big Ree. 813 battles. Make sure y'all leave your comments. This is the 3rd round. It's the knockout round. This is on the marbles right here. It's about to go down. Who's on? T Bird is on you, man. Whenever you ready.
Look, we need a reservation, a better education, just to step to me and hurry up. This time is wasting. I'm pacing and plot myself on every move. Your concentration is off. Take your ass back to school. I'm a veteran. Been doing this shit since you was a dude. Watching Winnie the Pooh, I was testing my skill. Creating what I lack. Spend hours in the studio, lacing beats and tracks, brainstorm. You know I'm coming through. You slip, you trip. I'm coming to gun it through your crew. You gone. Better bring it on, how you want it. I'ma start like gorillas when it's time for warfare on this microphone. I done it, please, I'm young money. Wet like cash money, and it's still YG in these streets. Best believe 17th, and I'ma come through and leave niggas sleep. It's time to rip, you already lights out. You know I'm on the block, and I'm hollering get guap. Hey, no stop, AK, best believe it, I spray, best believe it, DJ, this niggas out the way, I'm the roots everywhere, switch it up, tangle it, then you know I'm in the streets and leave my nuts angling, I'm in the angle it, nigga, my nuts strangle it, on this microphone, nigga, you really ain't hanging it, I be knocking you out like round 2, I float like a butterfly, you best already know the rhyme, I ain't hollering about that, I just laid it down and I'm gonna end it with that, that's about it.
Absolutely quiet. Let's give him that respect. So you Ree.
He said one of the blue was more like Blue's Clues, cause the nigga when I get through, he don't need a clue. Ain't no word, cause he hit a sniper bullet and I flew. Now his brain on the side, now what did he do? Tell a nigga you get murdered, big body in the face. Fuck what you heard, nigga. Go ahead and let me get case, and I'ma come through this bitch, and your whole crew get sprayed. I'm murder this nigga anything, so you know how I play. Fuck anything he's saying. Cause I ain't snitching. Shotguns you hitting, now your bodies in the missing. I be in the house, yeah, my bitches, we be chilling. We be in the chip, just rolling up some plenty. Millions of blunts going down, we burn it up. You be talking like you want till you see the fucking clutch. Now your brain on the side, pussy nigga should've ducked you out of luck. Your mainframe fucked up. Split you, chalk a nigga anytime when I walk by. Understand I love to come through and chop a fly. If a nigga wanna get it, you can tell me why. The nigga put him on the side of the curb, never lie. Fuck you, heard this, niggas don't miss you, niggas be looking skirt shit. You scared than a bitch, nigga, you's a soft bitch. Always talking like you're hard, but don't move shit. And niggas wanna get it, nigga, so you hit out, knock out round, pussy niggas, go ahead and get out. If you wanna talk to a nigga, it's no drought, no doubt. Best believe the chopper bullets coming out. Fuck what they talking about, this cross-fletch. Shoot a nigga in his head cause I don't miss. And I'm the type of nigga going like Swiss cheese, put a couple holes in nigga, now you fall to your knees. Tell a nigga in this game it's ruthless. Fuck nigga with a gun, it's ruthless. Shoot a nigga in his face, now he toothless. And I'm done with this nigga, so it's through.
Time.